Hey guys, Darren here. Welcome to Mayhem Country Living. As luck would have it, it always occurs while you're traveling. Let me spin you down and show you the offender. And he is causing a problem. Actually, I just came up here. Where is it? There's another one right there. I travel to job sites, and so when I travel to job sites, I go onto active job sites, and so this is what happens frequently. I go through one tire every 3 months, and I don't mind riding them on plugs or anything like that. But anyway, let me get set up. More coming. Okay, guys, now we're back. That's a screw. That's a nail. How about that? Got two of these guys in here. We're only going to mess with this one today. We're going to repair this, and then we will worry about the nail probably tomorrow. But this is a kit I always travel with. I'm up here in Tennessee. I'm not home. It's a plug kit. It's a plug that is already coated it with asphalt cement, which is airplane glue, rubber cement. I have my file. I have my cutter. I have a cheap pair of pliers because you lose them. I've got my air compressor already set up. Normally, I would be inflating it right now, but if I wasn't doing that, you wouldn't be able to hear me. So this is kind of like my travel kit. I have one in each vehicle and then one at home with everything, duplicates. And this is knee pads for those of you who, if you have ever changed a tire on the side of the interstate, you will appreciate knee pads. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out. We're going to start to deflate. I'll have the compressor on, and that will be inflating. It's going to be loud. That's just the only way I can say it. And we'll do this hopefully in one smooth motion. I might have to file out the center. It's all good. And I hope to catch us in the video of doing it. More coming. Alright, here we go. Cheap pair of pliers. Now, hopefully, we can withdraw it. There we go. We have to pull it out really fast. And of course, I'll have my tripod at home. I'll take the Hawk Bill. trim it, then as you travel down the road, it will work itself out quite easily. Gonna paint it a little bit. Well, touch that. Probably have to fix that tomorrow. But you can see that is plugged. And I have carried these things up to speeds of over 100 miles an hour. It's easy. You need to keep this in your car. I'm 200 miles away from home, and I did this in the parking lot of the hotel. Didn't have to take the tire. Take care of your people. Hey guys, this is just an addendum to the video. The owner of the hotel complex, Patels, they're a family from India. And he came over because I stay here quite a bit. And he said, "Are you okay?" I said, "Oh yeah, I'm fine doing." He says, "I saw you were doing, recording, doing a video." I said, "Yeah, I was just doing a video." He said, if you have any problems or need anything, let me know. I have a couple of tools, but I don't have a whole lot of tools in my truck." He said, "I had a problem with my tire doing the same thing," and he said, "I did the same thing." Now, I'm in a hotel, so, they obviously don't want you changing your oil in the parking lot or rebuilding a motor or something like that. But it was really nice to know. And plus, I've given him and his family a whole lot of plants because I grow a lot of culturally important plants like certain kinds of basil and stuff like that, and they use that a lot. But it was really nice to know that even while I was out traveling, somebody was looking out for me. How about that? You get that 200 miles from home. He was taking care of his people. See you guys.